Find radius of curvature of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equals 1 at one end of major axis. Let us call the given equation of ellipse as equation 1. When you differentiate both sides of equation 1 with respect to x, we will get 2x divided by a square plus 2y divided by b square into dy by dx equals 0. From this we get dy by dx equals negative 2x by a square divided by 2y divided by b square, which can be written as negative b square x divided by a square y. You have 2 and 2 getting cancelled, and when y by b square is taken to numerator, it becomes b square divided by y. Thus, we will get dy by dx equals negative b square x divided by a square y. D square y by dx square is d by dx of dy by dx, that is d by dx of negative b square x divided by a square y, where negative b square by a square can be taken outside process of differentiation, being a constant. In order to differentiate x by y with respect to x, we will make use of quotient rule for differentiation. Derivative of x into y minus x into derivative of y divided by y square, which becomes y minus x into dy by dx divided by y square. Dy by dx, when replaced using this expression, we will get d square y by dx square equals this expression. Here you can take LCM and it becomes a square y square plus b square x square divided by a square y divided by y square. When y square is taken to numerator, it becomes 1 by y square. Thus we have d square y by dx square equals negative b square by a square multiplied to a square y square plus x square b square divided by a square y cube. A square into a square becomes a raised to 4 in the denominator, and when you multiply and divide this expression using a square b square, you will get a square b square appearing in the numerator. Also, when a square y square is divided using a square b square, it becomes y square by b square. When b square x square is divided using a square b square, it becomes x square by a square. And by equation of ellipse, we have x square by a square plus y square by b square equals 1. Hence, this expression becomes 1, and we have a square divided by a raised to 4 becomes a square in the denominator. In the numerator, we have negative b square into b square becoming negative b raised to 4. Thus, d square y by dx square equals negative b raised to 4 divided by a square y cube. Giving the expressions of dy by dx and d square y by dx square in the standard equation of radius of curvature, we will get rho equals 1 plus negative b square x by a square y, the whole raised to 2, the whole raised to 3 by 2, divided by minus b raised to 4 divided by a square y cube. We can neglect the negative sign since we are computing radius of curvature. When you take LCM in the numerator, it becomes a raised to 4 into y square plus b raised to 4 into x square divided by a raised to 4 into y square, the whole raised to 3 by 2. When b raised to 4 divided by a square y cube is taken to numerator, it becomes a square y cube divided by b raised to 4. The common denominator that we will get here after taking LCM will be a raised to 4 into y square, the whole raised to 3 by 2. Here, a raised to 4 into y square can be written as a square y the whole square. Thus we have a square y the whole square, the whole raised to 3 by 2 becoming a square y the whole cube. Now we have y cube and y cube getting cancelled from numerator and denominator. A square the whole cube becomes a raised to 6. A square divided by a raised to 6 becomes a raised to 4, and b raised to 4 appears in the denominator. In the numerator, we are left out with a raised to 4 y square plus b raised to 4 x square, the whole raised to 3 by 2. Since we wish to find out radius of curvature at one end of major axis, we can consider the point A0, major axis of the ellipse considered along x-axis. We will give x equals a and y equals 0 in this expression, and we will get rho equals a raised to 4 into 0 plus b raised to 4 into a square, the whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by a raised to 4 into b raised to 4, which becomes b raised to 6 into a cube divided by a raised to 4 into b raised to 4. This is because b raised to 4, the whole raised to 3 by 2 becomes b raised to 6, and a square the whole raised to 3 by 2 becomes a cube. Thus we have radius of curvature at a0 equals b square by a.